Aw, the pillow's in there? Huh?
I like this pillow.
Right?
I'm gonna lay on the pillow.
Go ahead, lay it down. I bet you he'll climb right on top of it, would you?
What?
I said, I bet you he'll climb right on top of it, would you? Yep. Okay, he's looking. Oh, here he comes. Stay there. Don't be a chicken. Here he goes. What are you doing, Baxter?
I'll use my own pen.
Oh no!
There goes the pillow.
Baxter!
Like, no, I'm laying down on this thing, whatever it is. That's it. I'll lay on this one.
Yeah.
See, I go
If
pillow.
he's gonna come back, I know he is. Get off of that pillow!
Find down. Find your keeper.
Right? Now I'm gonna have to clean it.
Whee! I found it in box.
Extra clean it. Nonetheless. Whoa! Wrestle.
Baxter, whatever.
Okay, pick that up.
Put it back here.
Yeah. Oh, be nice.
How do we put it in here? No.
Well, pick it up then. At least so it's not on the ground.
I'll put it over here. Baxter the faucet. Try to pull it. I gotta pull it. Look how it's gonna fall. Go ahead, pull it. No, you're not going in there. I got it.
Brody! Or Baxter. Gosh, poor Brody gets in trouble more than anything. Baxter! Hey! Matt here.
With my own suitcase.
Right? Back in my bag, so I'm leaving. I'll take these.